Yeah, man, sing one different song, Rising Star.
There are times when I get discouraged.
Rising Star.
Trying to carry this every load.
So imagine, them I bring out the voice.
But I'll be found.
Well, viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And watch the ads. Mr. People, I will mix up in that video I make right now. May I tell you, watch the full video, guys, because you know my style already. You know I go to work already. Yo,
Go stay in London and go on with the vibes. We're at Windsor. Where are you?
We don't want to know them there. With their son.
You hear that? One issue.
Dirty eaters.
Yes.
Cheesecake.
Yeah.
Not Black Forest.
No.
so may I say viewers and subscribers, may I tell you say every show where the dog do it, man, sell out. And when I say sell out, guys, I mean sold out. And may I tell you say man, him team there, so I will have vibes. I don't know if before or after the show, but take a look, guys.
We're at King's Cross.
Scatter? That's done. Let me tell you about scatter. I'll run them like with their King's Cross. Just sell down Germany, solo. Sell down Amsterdam, solo. Sell out France, solo. And when England, we are roll up. The way the man in lock London is like his home. Jason. The younger one away we are Freemason. TJ, if you did that food. Can they hide around this? See, Malona and over there. And this is Cartel. And guess what record? Cordell. I want to sign them nose.
Whole team out.
Whole team out.
Team Grinch and team what?
Shenanigans.
Shenanigans what?
And scatter Shenanigans.
No.
Anyway, viewers and subscribers, we could have go on and on and on and on with Vibes Cartel. The dog have a vibes, man, have a buzz. You see it? The dog does full of vibes, you see me? That's why I'm named Vibes Cartel. Anyway, guys, we'll move to our next thing, you see it?
Generation and alcoholization. Come here and lay and be the woman come to the forefront. Lay and make them frighten you. Remember, he's a superstar, yeah. And remember, every girl go one for him. Uno girl go talk about the man cocky liquor. The man have an average size. Me not see nothing wrong with it. I'm see the boy plant it and paste it. Yeah, man. I'm not see the boy shoot off last come here. Lady, don't let a man to please them. The only thing me see do wrong, I go raw dog. At least in the package nothing, give God thanks. Lay and be the next time, grab a boots, and I make no girl video you. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Cocky now keep. You understand me, lady, don't let your man. I want them want him. He the same as shoot. And Mr. Shoot so tup. Gone!
So viewers and subscribers, that was Diver or Diva. What's your name? You know the baller with the leak tape or the you see it, and Diver tell the girlfriend say, look here, not give up on the man. Don't left the man. Not because of that kind of a star, you see it? You know, guys, put it out in the comment section. If you was in that situation, what would you do? As a woman, you see me? Left him or you just stay with him? Tell me one thing, guys. And we are move on to our next thing, bro. And if you name the pan this Alicia, bro, that means you wash the front.
But just get the list and name. I man them will watch front like dog. The list goes as follows. If you hear your name, step forward. Nick, Jabari, Pang, Trey, Tyreek, Tyrell, O'Brien, Brian, Akeem, Bad Seki. Come in, I don't know your real name, Rudio. Top Coot, Brandon, Kevin, Nicholas, Kimo, Sheldon, Marvin, Tevin. I'll put my name on this. Hold on, cut. Who put my name on this? Anyway, move along. Odin, Ricardo, Rick, Brownman, Weedy, Talman, Blacks. Yeah, that are them I top I don't know how much, but I them me years watch Frontimos. Anyways, the new list will be coming out tomorrow.
Jano, so if you hear your name, just drop a like or drop a comment, you see me? John Noah Star, man, I tell you, talking about that, this brother try to make it on the rising star. Tell me one thing, guys, you think you will make it or not?
Yes, man.
To keep on calling.
Rising star machine final. Me I tell you, rising star. Oh God.
Jesus knows.
Rising star. Look out for that one, yeah.
When it rains.
Rising star, my going up.
It cold.
Emma. Rising star. There.
Stop and run.
Rising star. Me I send it. He have to go through. If he don't go through, then bias. Oh, one correct. Look out for him. Rising star, people. Yes, man. Uno. Oh.
Some viewers and subscribers, them one thing, guys. Them if me really make it, or Anthony Miller will just throw him out, guys. Talking about singing, bro. You have a brother come out at this up Rygin King, bro. Like, the dog now get no show, bro. So the dog come out what there and I say, yo, ropes. Nobody not him, I look upon him and him thing there, you see me? So, that man I want this him up one way, bro. Tell me one thing, guys. To me viewers and subscribers, me know Rygin King is a bad artist, bro. Me I tell you, I think they have dancehall artists them for us, yo. I want to hear a co-worker and I want a situation. I think some love for us, show him some love, you see me? No matter what the situation be. Tell me one thing, guys.
So I say this little big waist man artist now, Rygin King, see it? Come out up on a live, a ball and a beg. On the so it feel? On the so it feel when time come out and do some interview and try to downplay some artists' work and disrespect some artists. And when some artists will idolize and rate that even look on and post some different artists and I get different artists look into and ratings. And this how it feel because no fuck deserve no look into. See it? Some of you no need to look into bad man. You need to sit down in your wheelchair. Because you come out and this my artist the other day. See? One Jachal, one Vendatta. So you Rygin King? Go and ball, see me man. Them a ball, you know? But when I hear them, I want to some big boy around like them, some big baby. Like some big girl. See me I say, hold up your problem. See, you know, that one need for the hold up on the problem. No ball too much like some girl. But kill and kill and judgment pound. I want to talk about. We do own a thing, boy. Feel like in a real life. I gonna think, gonna violate it, and think on the ship now go sink. Like, I wanna feel like Vendatta them we are kill real life. I would think on the violate it, and I don't think on the ship I go sink, yo. On the pick on yourself, pick on the team, I pick mine. Say it, stuff.
Yo.
This is an engineer.
And even though the mic. Blood clot.
So viewers and subscribers, we see them bash Marky G away, you see it, because him cuss a bad word, you see me, because Mark never work properly, you see me. The other side do the same thing rather there, because the other man say, yo, put the X beside the you know, we can't talk certain things, you see me? But me I leave in that video, guys, where a girl said she disappointed in her. The man where try to be the prime minister, you see me? Tell me one thing, guys, and put your thought in the comment section. You see me? If you reach this far, that means that you're one of my real supporter, because you watch the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video outside.
I cannot believe what I just hear.
Blood clot.
I can't even sleep because I cannot believe what I just hear.
Blood clot.
Recently, Edward Warmington directed some supporters to put the X beside the effing bill. It's a strong word, but context matters, and we already established that. It was passion, it was emphasis, and the people didn't more than understand that the intent was clear. But Mark Goulding, as leader of the opposition, and as a man who is currently trying to assume the prime ministerial role of Jamaica, at his own political meeting, gets frustrated at a mic. Because it's not working. Him let out.
Blood clot.
Just like that. No message, no context, just careless and brawling I'm not even laugh because it's serious. And for anybody who want to come on my page and compare, you need to understand that in every Warmington's case, it was the leadership under fire. But Mark Golin, that's weakness under pressure, and Jamaica need that.